Assalamu Alaikum, everybody. Hope you people are really doing great. And I am welcoming to all of you with another video. Fifth number class of intermediate vocabulary learning with Shumon. Okay. So this part is so much amazing, I think, because it has 20 vocabularies, and 20 sentence making. Okay. And totally in English and story making, oh my God, that's really cool. So these three kind of segments are so much important to be fluent in English. Okay. So today, actually, let's get the ball rolling. Okay, guys. Today, actually, it's kind of as usual, and this is a sequence. Okay. Today is our fifth class, and also we have to end the vocabularies together in this video and in this class. So let's jump to the next targeted vocabularies, and number one is our. Our, our, and badly, belong. So continue, error, export, experience, field, heart, judgment, likely, normal, rare, relax, request, reside, result, rule, since, visible, wild. Okay, so these are the 20 vocabularies today. Intermediate levels vocabulary, and let's make some sentences with and also let's know about the how to say sentence making or all the meanings of all the vocabularies. So okay, so let's know about the meaning of 20 vocabularies, intermediate level vocabularies, and let's see how to pronounce all the vocabularies as well as meaning and making sentences. So aware, that means if you're aware of something, you know about it. Okay, I was not aware of the ringing phone. Okay, I was not aware about the snake. Okay, so and badly. Second one is badly. Badly means in a severe or harmful way. Badly, severe or harmful way. So he hurt his arm badly playing with friends. Got it? And belong. If something belongs to you, you own it. You own it. Okay? You are the owner. So the blue suit belongs to Paul, or the Mercedes Benz belongs to one of our teachers. Okay, so continue, right? Continue. To continue something is to keep doing it. Keep doing. Suppose you are doing continuously. Okay, so this is called keep doing. Okay, or continue. So she stood under her umbrella as the rain continued to fall. Okay, as the rain continued to fall down. Okay, so error. Error, not error or error. Okay, error. So an error is something you do wrong. To err is human being, right? To err. Okay, I made an error on my report, so my boss was angry. Oh my God. He scolded me for my error. Okay. So next one is experience. Okay, experience. Experience. An experience is something you have seen or done. Rock climbing was a fun experience. So it was a fun experience. It was an adventurous experience, So you can say anything, experience. So field. Next one is field. A field is a big area of land, where crops are grown up. Okay, so the field of flowers looked so pretty. Look so pretty. Hey, how are you doing? Not so pretty, my boy. Like this, okay. And the heart. Next one is heart. And to hurt is to do something that makes you feel pain, pain. So she hurt her leg falling down the stairs. Oh my God, how dangerous the staircase. Okay. So, please, while you are crossing or while you're going upper floor by using stairs, be careful. Okay. Be aware. This one, be aware. Okay. And the next one is judgment. So, what is judgment? Judgment is the ability to form opinion or decisions. Okay. Decisions, not decision. Decisions. It's good judgment to recycle your aluminum cans. Okay. And likely. If something likely happens, it will probably happen. Okay. So I will like to stay at home and watch TV tonight. Normal. Next one is normal. If something is normal, it is not strange nor surprising to you. It's very normal to me, right? His kidding is very normal to me. Okay. I used to tolerate it. I used to accept it. Okay. It is normal for me to bathe every night. Okay. So rare. If something is rare, you do not see it very often. It's not regular. It's not available. Okay. It's rare. It is rare for him to miss his flight. Oh my God. Because okay, not because, there is no because. Okay, next one is relax. To relax is to rest. Okay, relax, that means having rest or having a break like this. So the frog relaxed in the warm sun. Okay, so request. Request. To request something is to ask for it. Ask for it. So we thought that ask means making questions or asking something, okay? But ask, that means say something, command for something, okay? Or how to say, the little girl requested a special gift from Santa Claus, okay? Requested. And request, reside, okay? Reside, that means residential, So reside. To reside means to live somewhere permanently or for a long time. My brother and his family reside in a lovely house on the beach. Oh my God, sea beach, wonderful place. By the way, we have a wonderful sea beach, which is Cox's Bazar, the longest sea beach in the world, 120 kilometers long. Okay, please read about the Cox's Bazar sea beach. Okay, and please visit the sea beach and have some wonderful time. By the way, I'm from the Cox's Bazar. My home district is Cox's Bazar. So let's come back to the lesson here. And my brother and his family reside in a lovely house on the beach. Result, okay? Result is something that happens because of something else. Suppose you have done something, then you got a final result sheet. I mean, you attended an exam, and then after a couple of months later, you got your result, or what kind of grade you got in your exam or something like that. That is called result. As a result of all the rain, the man had to climb on the roof. Okay. Roll. Roll. To roll is to move by turning over and over, right? You must roll the ball, roll the pins into the pins when you bowl. Okay, since. Since is used to talk about a past event still happening now, since. Since 1992, it has been driving that car. I'm sorry, he has been driving that car. So since 1995, you have been living in the world, in this world, So visible. Visible. If something is visible, it can be seen, okay? The moon and stars were visible in the night sky, okay? Night sky. So wild. Wild, if something is wild, it's found in nature, not in general, okay? Wild, I mean jungle, I mean forest, so uh, okay, it's natural. Natural, that means also we are natural creature, but they live in the jungle. And you should be careful around the fox because it's a wild animal. Wild animal, that is not domestic. So we have a lot of domestic animals, but tiger is not a domestic animal as well, and that is a wild animal, So lion, it's also wild animal. So okay, let's jump to the next one. Oh, this is our very, very interesting one part, and that is making stories. Okay, so let's make the story. Let's read the story out loud together, everybody. The Jackal and the Sun Child. Okay? It might be a wonderful story. A jackal is a wild dog with a big black back. Oh my God, big black back. It's a kind of tongue twister. Okay, it resides in the desert. But how did the jackal get his black back? This was how it happened. One day, the jackal saw a girl. She was sitting up on a rock. She was not a normal child. She was a rare and beautiful sun child. She was bright and warm like the sun. The child saw the jackal and smiled. She said, Jackal, I've been relaxing on this rock for too long. I must get home soon, but I'm slow and you are fast. You will likely get me home more quickly. Then she requested, will you carry me home? If you do, I'll give you a gift. This necklace belongs to me, but I will give it to you. The wild jackal agreed. So the sun child sat on the dog's back. They started to walk, but soon the jackal felt ill. The sun child was very hot on his back. The heat was hurting his back very badly. I made a terrible error in judgment, he thought. He shouldn't have agreed to carry her, so he asked her to get off. But she did not. The jackal's back continued to get hotter and hotter. He had to get away from the sun child, so he made a plan. First, he ran as fast as he could. He hoped the sun child would fall off, but she did not. So when the sun child was looking at the sky, not aware of the jackal's next plan, he jumped into a field of flowers. As a result, the child rolled off his back. The jackal ran away, but the sun child left a mark on the jackal's back, a visible black mark. Ever since his experience with the sun child, the jackal has had a black back. Okay, so and the jackal dared to take the sun child. So okay, it had to happen, So uh, that's really cool. That's right. That was the right one. What happened to that jackal? I mean, black back. Okay, because the jackal took the sun child, who was the worm. I mean, the hot and hottest. Okay, so jackal couldn't tolerate or couldn't accept the hot situation or hotter sun child. So that was the mistake of jackals what he made. So guys, that's a single and simple story about the two and the verbs today, and I hope you got all the points. But if you have any questions, please raise your questions in the comment box below, and definitely I will give you the answer. I will try my best to give you answer um, anything about anything. Okay, so that's really cool, and thank you for watching me and listening to me, and keep patience. Okay, so that's really cool. And if you're from University of Dhaka, so you can join us early in the morning at 7:30 a.m. in front of the Central Library, and also Social Science faculty. We practice every day, 6:30 to 8, okay, before library opening, okay, opening time. So you can join with us and practice with us as well. And if you want to take help from me personally, then you can contact with me, no problem. So I'll be there where you want to meet me, okay? So that's really cool. And please keep studying, keep practicing, keep doing the good thing to our country and the nation as well, because our country and our nation both are waiting for you and your good task to them. Okay, and have a good journey, have a nice day, and keep me in your prayer. Allah Hafiz and bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.